Morning. So today's Friday. I'm currently, there's construction going outside, please don't mind. Let me close my closet because you can see everything inside it. Yeah, so I have a shoot with Wanjiru. I'm currently waiting for her to come pick me up, but I'm gonna go have breakfast, put on some lashes because I haven't put on lashes, but I want to show you guys a few things I'm trying out this month. So I'm trying out a new sunscreen. This is by the Face Shop. It says Natural Sun, Eco Natural Sun, Power Long Lasting Sun Cream, and it has SPF 50. I really want to try it. It's from the Face Shop. I really like Face Shop's skincare stuff. I've tried their skincare stuff before, so I decided to try the sunscreen this time around. Also, it does have a tint. That's the only bad thing. You know that sunscreen white cast? Also, it looks like a tinted moisturizer, which is so weird to me. Anyway, I'll let you guys know how it performs. Wanjiru is practically here, so I couldn't sit down and have my breakfast because I spent my whole time like literally doing my makeup, but I managed to pack some, just like oats and fruits. I just got to Roseland and it's so pretty. There's the crew. So we just got here and we are about to start shooting. Super excited. Look at that. I'm the one with the celeb. Guys, we're filming with Wanjiru today. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. We've been planning this lookbook for a minute, and now we're finally here shooting. Yes. See how excited she is. Look how pretty she looks. Oh, thanks, guys. But we can't show you the outfit yet. Let me not spoil. So me too. So we have the setup right there. Say hi. It's blurry. Wait. Okay, do it again. Say hi. Hi. She's shooting the video and we have Greg somewhere taking photos of us. And all this trying to. Yeah. Okay.
You're studying with Yasmin. Lovingly. Yeah. Oh, good. Yeah. Okay. That's so weird. Okay. You straight.
You gangster.
Great. We're not doing it.
Yeah, so we just changed to the second outfit and it's more like an 80s vibe. Obsessed with the cheetah print scarf and everything. Some nice 80s glasses. This is probably my favorite look other than the layering one. Number 3. Almost done. Almost done. I'm so tired. So we have one more look left. This is the third look, but we're taking the stills first because the location, the area we wanted to do the photo was quite hard. Sure, looks so good. Let me show you guys how to take photos. Change into my final outfit. This was my favorite outfit. You guys know how much I love layering and all that good stuff. I'm just wearing this really long trench coat, my chunky sweater, nice red look. I look like such a schoolgirl. It's a wrap. We just finished. We're done. We are done. The energy is still there from when we started filming. We were just dancing like this. Thank you so much for helping out.
Isn't Yasmin so cute?
So
she's so pretty.
So I've just been editing currently, but I want to take off my makeup because I So I just edited a vlog that I really want to be up by Monday, but it sounds so noisy. Anyway, I'm gonna take off makeup because I can't wear this makeup any longer. I just wanna take a shower. Honestly, I just want to take a shower and have a chillax night. I really wanted to take a nap so that I could be awake most parts of the night, but that would be impossible. So I'm using olive oil to take off my makeup. I'm not gonna do the micellar thing afterwards because my micellar water ended, and I could easily go just next door to the center and pick it up, but I've been so lazy to do that, you know. I really want to watch a documentary on Netflix today, The Disappearance of Madeleine McCann. Have you guys heard about that story? Well, what do you guys think? Do you think the parents did it? Do you think she was actually abducted? I don't know how I feel. I don't know that much information yet to come up with a conclusion, but that whole story was sketch. So I'm gonna watch the Netflix documentary that they just recently released, and I will come back with a synopsis, you know, like what I think about the whole thing. But I already thought the whole case was like a very sketchy case. So I just finished taking off the makeup. I am going to jump into the shower actually, and then probably chill. My friend Steph is coming over. I'm sure you guys have met her in one of my vlogs before. She's coming over, and I'm sure we're gonna go grab something to eat later, which means I'm gonna probably have to put something on in my face. Depending on who's coming, I might, you know, do a little 1-2 here and there, but let me just get into the shower and I'll see you guys when I get out. I'm so tired, not really tired, but like hungry. Skin by the way is doing so well. Even yesterday, the facialist and the esthetician Anne who's doing my facial was like, you take so much, you take such good care of your skin, you can tell. And I was like, thanks. I know it's not its best, but she's like, you really are doing something. I'm doing the thing, okay? I'm doing the damn thing, and I'm so happy someone else could notice, like someone in the professional field could notice that I take good care of my skin, you know? That is, I feel like complimenting my skin is one of my favorite compliments, if that makes sense. It's like my efforts and the amount of time and care I put into it is reflecting on my skin, so that's a really good thing. Yeah, anyway, I'm talking a lot. Let me shower and then yeah. So I didn't get to attend today's class for school. It wasn't class, it was more of like project day, but the project for this week was a code. Okay, so basically we're learning Angular. Okay, we've been learning that, and it's been giving the whole class a very hard time. Anyway, I didn't get to be in school to do the project, which sucks because my classmates are really, I knew I'd have a hard time, but that means I just have to read through all this content during the weekend, and then by Monday I need to have submitted the homework, like the assignment, and be graded on. The grade is like 33 marks, and I'm sure if I don't pass this, I won't proceed to like the actual core course. That's my plan for hopefully this weekend. I have another shoot tomorrow with crayons and ink, a very exciting one. Keep your eyes peeled for that stuff over on my Instagram. But anyway, on Sunday I don't have that much to do on Sunday either, so I'll probably just, my Sunday plan is basically usually just preparing for the week and then getting as much work done as I can, because I know sometimes meetings just pop up throughout the week or my schoolwork gets super heavy, so I need to balance out. I know my schedule seems super crazy. It's not super crazy. I just like planning it out in a way that I can have time for everything. If I want to spend time with friends, I can have time for that and not worry about school. Or if I'm working, I don't have to worry about school. And if I'm in school, I don't have to worry about working and everything else. And also leave enough time for myself, to take care of myself, to chill out, watch a show. Although I don't have time to watch shows anymore, which is so weird. But I do have time to, like, you know, do my makeup when I feel like, or, you know, a little self-care routine and pamper myself, you know what I mean? I make sure I create time for those things. But everything else, I just go with the flow. We never really talked about New Year resolutions on this channel at the beginning of the year because I feel like they're quite private, but I'm gonna share one thing with you guys. And one of the theme words for me for this year was time management. I really needed to focus on managing my time well so I can get the most out of it in both like my schoolwork, my professional like career work, and then also my personal life. Time management is something I really wanted to focus on. I will share the rest later. I will tell you probably the tips I learned about time management throughout the year or sometime. Let me know if you guys want to see that. But that's one thing I really wanted to focus on, and I feel like so far, I know we're just 3 months into the year, I feel like so far so good, you know what I mean? I feel like I'm doing so well at managing my time so much better. So yeah, let me just, this is such a weird sight, just finding a pair of scissors. It's been so hot. Apparently there's an El Nino coming. Wanjiru was telling me today, and I kept asking her, Kwani, you're like the influencer they contacted. Okay, I'm not the one who said that. I think Greg said that. Anyway, guys, we're gonna let me just go shower. I'm talking a lot because I'm like procrastinating. Lying here feels so good, but I know if I take a nap now I won't sleep later, which should be my plan, but we'll see. I just got out of the shower and I want to share a few of my self-care products that I absolutely love. I don't know if I've talked about this before, but this is my hyaluronic acid essence toner. I really love this stuff, especially with this dry weather. It does such a good moisturizing my face. And then I have been using this for a couple of weeks now. I've probably been using this for about a month now, ever since I last mentioned it. And it's the Strengthen Restore Leave-In Conditioner with the shea butter, peppermint, apple cider vinegar, and I absolutely love this. I have the regular treatments we use in the shower, but the leave-in is so quick, so easy. I just run it through my hair and call it a day, and then it just does its magic. We don't have to wash it off. So I've been loving these two products lately. Morning, guys. So today is Saturday, and after yesterday I got back from the shoot. I just chilled around, and then today I have another shoot. I've been so busy, you know, I haven't had time to sleep. Anyway, yeah, so I have a shoot in Parklands today. I don't know if I can show you as much of that shoot because I don't know when the content would be out, and obviously the brand is the one that's in charge of that, so I can't just spoil everything for you guys. Anyway, I have a shoot, and then I don't know what I'm doing afterwards. Probably get into my IP independent project that I need to get done for this week. So
That's what
okay, the photo, can you look at the photo, what she does with this hand?
she's holding me.
Yeah.
Cool.
My boy, I'm gonna do.
What?